2012 Nissan Sentra, base model 2.0. If you need parts for your Nissan or any vehicles, BrockAutoSupply.com. I'm replacing the intake manifold as part of maintenance. $88 and change, free shipping. Comes with the intake gasket and the throttle body gasket. On Nissan, if you have a misfire like a P0300 or any of the cylinders misfiring, you got an engine light, check the engine oil level. 90% of the time when you have a misfire with a Nissan, it's low on oil. So you add oil and that misfire will automatically go away. Okay? Just putting this information out there. You got a Nissan and any of the cylinders misfire, you need to check your oil 9% of the time. Later.